Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change brightness level on your NUBIA Air. So basically there are two options how to change your brightness level on your NUBIA phone. So the first option is opening up your quick settings panel right here, and you can adjust your brightness manually right here. So that's the first option, and for the second option you'll need to open up your settings and go here to display, and here you can adjust your brightness level manually or turn on the automatic brightness, so your brightness will adjust automatically to your environment and activities on your phone. So basically that's it. That's how you change brightness on your NUBIA Air. So thank you for watching and follow for more.